Hello, children. Today we are going to read some O sound words from the object box O. Tell me, children, which sound? O sound words. Okay, let us see what are the words in the object box O. Are you ready? Very good. Children, tell me, what can you see in this picture? Coat. K-O-T. Coat. All of you repeat with me. K-O-T. Coat. Once again. K-O-T. Coat. Look at this picture. What is this, children? Fox. F-ox. Fox. All of you repeat with me. F-ox. Fox. Once again. F-ox. Fox. Can you tell me what is this? Pod. P-O-D. Pod. All of you repeat with me. P-O-D. Pod. Once again. P-O-D. Pod. Tell me, children, what is this? Box. B-ox. Box. All of you repeat with me. B-ox. Box. Once again. B-ox. Box. Children, look at this. What is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. All of you repeat with me. D-O-G. Dog. Once again read, children. D-O-G. Dog. Tell me, children, what is this? Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Repeat with me. D-O-T. Dot. Once again. D-O-T. Dot. Children, today we have learned some O sound words from the object box O. Shall we revise it once? Okay, everybody read with me. K-O-T. Coat. F-ox. Fox. B-ox. Box. P-O-D. Pod. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-T. Dot.